Hello friends, welcome to Foetron Academy's video on how you can view the version history of a file in OneDrive. So OneDrive has a feature to create version history for the various files on which the different members of a team are collaborating, and I'll be showing you how to access the various version history and retrieve them back whenever required. So let's head back to Office 365 portal. Here you can select the OneDrive and you will be landing on a OneDrive home page like the one that you see here. So these are the various files and folders that are available in my OneDrive. So when I go to a version of a file, for example, let me take you to a demonstration folder here. I'll open the demonstration folder and I'll be able to access the files that are present inside that. For example, you can see there are multiple files available here. I'll just click on this text file, that is a PowerPoint file, and when I click on that, you can see that on the top ribbon the version history option pops up. So when I click on that, it opens a window which shows all the versions that are available for a file. So you can see here that there is only one version that is available for the file, and that was created by me. So in this way you will be able to get the various versions on which the multiple people have worked upon, and you will be able to retrieve them back whenever required. I hope this has been a very useful session to you. To get to know more features like this on Office 365, head on to our YouTube channel Foetron Academy. Thank you and have a great day.